Maptek is my tool of choice when, modelling geology and assessing the geology and mineral resources. So for me, it's the simple tool, it's the place that I go when I need to do my mineral resources work.
Maptek is its change, its evolution, its innovation.
When I think of Maptek, I think of Point Studio, Jason Richards and Jordan Herman. Thanks for your product development and all your technical support over the years.
Maptek means innovation. It's taking the cutting edge of computer science and applying it to mining problems.
Maptek to us is a software platform over a number of packages that allows us to showcase our geological data and incorporate it in our projects.
Maptek means giving customers tools to better understand their data, to make their work easier and to generally solve the problems that they have.
For me, Maptek means leading in digitization of mining industry to deliver safer and more productive mining operation.
So I moved to Australia 10 years ago and start working for Maptek straight since then. So it's like Maptek is like my home. Yeah, it means a lot to me.
Maptek's a place where I can sort of make a contribution and you get appreciated for your efforts.
I think Maptek does a great job of seeing a customer need on the mining side. We have a great sort of technical services team and sales team that can really identify that need. And we can take the best of computer science, the evolutionary algorithms, machine learning, that sort of cutting edge tech, and apply it to mining problems as Maptek's strength.
Happy birthday, congratulations, great milestone. I hope I've hit as many achievements as Maptek is when I hit the big 4-0. You have a great team, you've got some great products, and I look forward to what the next 40 years brings for Maptek.
Happy 40th anniversary, Maptek.
Big congratulations on your 40th anniversary.
Happy 40th anniversary, Maptek.
Yeah, in all honesty, really appreciate the relationship I've got with Maptek, and particularly through Rock Science now, how the two companies are working together to give a better experience to our shared customers, I think can only be a great thing going forward.